Hey folks, I guess it's about time for a little update video. How the trailer's coming along. And I only get to come out here like a couple of days a week. And sometimes that time is limited for other projects and such. Like getting stuff ready to sell to put money towards this project. Today, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got that hospital bed and that Jerry chair over there ready for sale. I had it for my dad, but he passed away last year, so just trying to get some stuff out of the way. My mom's cleaning out her place, trying to get a bunch of stuff going. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. We in my wood pile, a lot of that's getting used here shortly. We're getting down to the spot right here behind the door. We're getting down to the where we're gonna start putting this stuff to work. We've already started putting some of it to work actually. 2x4s mostly. There's some trim. We use these old crates for trim around the windows. There's a bunch I've already got cut, de-nailed. Yep. Piece of an old piano, old shelf, old gun rack. Another piece of old piano. Just a bunch of stuff collected here and there. But anyway, a lot more wood. Keep getting off subject. Anyway, today I put this piece of plywood down last week and fixed the floor. It's the bathroom. I've got it all the way over to the wall. I don't know if y'all can see down there. There's 2x6 sitting in the way. But anyway, all these studs are very secure. I couldn't have done that before without the whole wall shaking. Kind of like that. That one ain't connected, believe it or not. But that's where a wall goes actually. We're going to reframe this wall, move the hot water heater over here closer to the bathroom, out from behind the electrical box, which gets me to what I did today. Cut this hole out. I got to replace that 2x6 seal out there with one like this that I replaced last week. I see a little bit of it down. Can you see a little bit of it down there? Right there. We're going to replace the bottom of this stud, reframe this window, replace that seal, replace a little bit more of this, replace some of these 2x6s, especially the ends. But I wanted to get into the hot water heater cabinet to check the floor in there, since it was right at the end of this closet behind the electrical outlet. But the floor in there is good. I just got to patch a couple of holes because it ain't going back there. This was an old closet, and the big closet, which will be our closet. We're gonna have an open closet, just have shelves and probably some drawers or something up in there. But it's getting there, man. I had to take all this. This is crazy. This 2x4 right here is up against this other 2x4 right here to make this wall in a trailer. Well, they had sheetrock sandwiched in between them, sheetrock and paneling. This whole cabinet where the hot water heater sit was sheetrock. I mean, inside and out. Sheetrock, and then paneled over the sheetrock. All this up in here was sheetrock. And you can see this outside wall. Still got a little bit of it. I'm gonna have to take that down when we get to it. We ain't to it yet. Today I was just wanting to make sure that floor was good, so I didn't have to cut it out, replace it while I'm replacing some tomorrow, hopefully. Tomorrow, yep. Coming back tomorrow. But once I get the floors done, I got a little spot over here by the back door, right here, right there, and then check up under that other window. And man, these floors are done. The roof is going. I mean, the roof is good back here. I found the leak. It was a vent that had come unweathered and was leaking down through the wall where all the water was coming from. It messed up all these floors and these walls and drains and everything. So I got that fixed. Still gonna what do you call it, cool seal the roof when it gets cooler, because it's hot here. It's 97 today and it's hot. 97 degrees and about 90% humidity. I don't know if y'all can see, but since I've been walking through here, you see sweat drops everywhere I've been. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But it's getting there. Get the rest of the floor fixed. We're gonna jerk this insulation down. I've got the money for the other insulation. I sold the kayaks. Can y'all believe that? I sold my kayaks. Whew. To furnish this insulation. Then we gotta, I've been kicking it around about not digging into the roof and checking the wiring, but this stuff's got to come down anyway. I know this bay right here got wet, and I'm pretty sure rats have been in that too. So instead of laying in the bed one night and the house catches on fire, I think I'm just gonna drop the ceiling, because we're putting up old tin roofing on the ceiling for the farmhouse look. So I think I'm just gonna pull it down and re-insulate it all. It's gonna be about $300 or $400 more of insulation, but be able to sleep good at night knowing that there's no naked wires up there, because I have found naked wires in the wall. Yep. So that's about where we're at. Be back out here tomorrow and be back out here Friday also. I got a couple of deals Friday, so hopefully we can make the money to get the roof insulation too. We can all make that on one trip maybe. Oh, I don't know, but we're getting there. We're getting there. All these studs look good. They're 2x4s. They almost look, they're not new, well, y'all can't really see that. They're not really new growth pine. This trailer was built in, oh, there goes the nephew's getting off the bus. This trailer was built in 85, so it's about, 35 years old. And these 2x4s are pretty good 2x4s. I hate that the top plates are 1x4s, but then again, it allows me to take the 2x4s down, cut a little bit off the ends where they were boogered up by the staples, or some of them got a little bit of black, like they've been wet, Allows me to cut that off and put 2x4 top plate and bottom plates and still stick them back in there. So the floor will not get insulated this year. We don't get really that cold of weather down here, and maybe next year, maybe next fall, because I ain't doing it in the summertime. I ain't gonna do it in the winter. I'll tell y'all what, if y'all ever insulated the bottom of a trailer, whew, and there is so much. I did not know there was so much stuff up under there. And then you got the frame, and then you gotta go through go around everything. Man, they don't build them to remodel them. That's for sure. That's for sure. But it's coming along, and it's exactly what we want. So this video is getting a little long, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short. Y'all keep us tuned in, and we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.